Welcome to the Gummy Bear Show.
Oops. I had no idea the movie would be this scary. Not that I'm scared, of course.
It's called The Creepy Creature of Nightmare Creek. What did you expect? A love story?
Don't open that door! Don't open that door!
She opened that door.
Phew, looks like it's gonna be okay.
Well, that definitely wasn't a love story.
Nah, good thing we're not the type to get scared by that kind of nonsense.
Ha! Scared by some lame old scary movie? No way, Jose.
Yeah, after all, it's just a bunch of actors pretending. Wait a minute. The creature's name wasn't Jose?
Still, maybe it was a little bit scary.
Well, maybe just a little bit.
Not that I was scared, of course.
Well, good night, guys.
It's been an awesome sleepover so far.
Even with that lame, totally scary movie.
What was that?
Just the blood-curdling howl of a wolf at the full moon.
Oh, okay. Well, good night.
Good night. I'm not scared.
I'm not scared.
It was just a movie.
Just a movie.
Just an incredibly terrifying movie.
That, of course, I'm not scared of.
Okay, the way I see it is, I've got two choices. Either I sit here and worry
About that not-so-friendly dude in the movie walking in through that door.
Or I actually get up out of bed and go check out the rest of the house, just to be sure that it's all only in my imagination.
Sure, that's it. It must all just be in my imagination.
Yeah, all in my imagination. Last time I checked, my imagination was in here with me, and that crash I just heard sure wasn't.
All this being scared to death has made me kind of hungry.
A sandwich. Good idea.
I wonder who left this here. Either way, no point in letting it go to waste, right?
Cuckoo.
Midnight. Same time everything started happening in
The Creepy Creature of Nightmare Creek.
Yikes! At the risk of repeating myself, this looks kind of like
The same house as in The Creepy Creature of Nightmare Creek.
Don't open that door!
Don't open that door.
Don't open that door.
That door opened!
Yoo-hoo! Gummy! Hola! Harry! Your door must have blown open in the storm!
you who screamed?
Me? Scared of some lame, scary movie? Please.
Well, it must have been one of you guys, 'cause it sure wasn't me.
Or me? I'm not scared. If none of us is scared, then why is Harry changing colors?
What color am I?
Blue.
Not good.
Turning to purple.
Worse. As long as I don't turn red.
Actually, now that you mention it.
Who's that walking in the dark, coming down the hall? A face outside the window, looking 10 feet tall. Scary moving shadows, did you hear a scream? A light is going spooky, nothing's like it seems. The door opens slowly and there is a creepy voice. Everything is scary in the middle of the night. Make me jump out of my skin, make me want to hide. Everything is scary, be it goblins or a ghost. Monsters that have scary teeth are scaring me the most.
Oh, I'm glad the sleepover's going so well. The creepy creature of Nightmare Creek. I wonder if it's a love story.
Run, 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 run.